Using suction cups when installing the window will help to control the weight distribution of the window. Lean the top of the window in as you slide the window out. Set the bottom of the window onto the bottom sill plate first, then pull the top of the window in. Next, set the top window clips. This helps hold the window in place. Remember that these clips are marked with a designated line for the height in which they are to be set. Make sure to follow that line with the edge of the window flange. The reason for this line is to aid in expansion and contraction of the window during periods of hot and cold temperatures. Failing to install the clips appropriately can lead to a failed inspection later on and will have to be replaced and reinstalled. Next, the worker on the inside of the building will adjust the bottom of the window, making an uneven gap between the window and the window framing. The worker on the outside will nail the bottom hole of the window flange once it is set. Next, the worker on the inside of the building will adjust the top of the window, making the distance between the window and the window frame at the bottom parallel. When he has it in the right spot, the workers on the outside will fasten a nail to the top hole of the side of the window flange. The worker on the inside then checks the window frame with the slider, making sure the window shuts smoothly. Here he can make adjustments as needed. Now that the side is set, the workers can complete nailing down the sides of the window flange, nailing every other hole. The last part is to install the horseshoe clips at the bottom of the window. This allows a space between the window and the wall. In the event that any moisture is to get behind the window frame, it will naturally flow to the bottom of the window and have a spot to continue flowing down the exterior paper on the wall and not getting trapped.